Welcome to our channel where we make navigating jumbo loans simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel where we make navigating jumbo loans simple and straightforward. Applying for a jumbo loan may seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can confidently secure the financing you need. Step 1. Understand what a jumbo loan is. A jumbo loan exceeds the conforming loan limits set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency, meaning it is typically used for purchasing luxury homes or properties in high-cost areas. Step 2. Check if you qualify. Jumbo loans require higher credit scores, typically 700 or above, a low debt-to-income ratio, and significant income documentation. Lenders want to ensure you can handle these larger loan payments. Step 3. Gather necessary documents. Be prepared with tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, employment verification, and any assets documentation. Having these ready speeds up the process. Step 4. Research lenders. Not all lenders offer jumbo loans, so start by identifying banks or mortgage companies that specialize in jumbo financing. Compare rates, fees, and terms to find the best fit. Step 5. Get pre-approved. A pre-approval gives you a conditional commitment from a lender based on your financial profile. This step strengthens your offer on a property and outlines your borrowing limit. Step 6. Find your home. Once pre-approved, you can search confidently knowing your financing is in place. Remember, jumbo loans are often used for higher-priced properties, so be mindful of your budget. Step 7. Complete the application. Submit your detailed loan application, providing all requested financial information. The lender will then begin underwriting, which involves verifying all information and appraising the property. Step 8. Await underwriting and approval. This may take some time as lenders assess your ability to repay and the property's value. Be patient and responsive to any additional requests. Step 9. Close the loan upon approval. You will move to closing, where you sign paperwork, finalize your loan, and pay closing costs. Step 10. Manage your loan responsibly. After closing, set up your payment schedules and stay on top of your mortgage to maintain good standing. Applying for a jumbo loan requires preparation and understanding, but following these steps ensures a smooth process that helps you get your dream home without surprises. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated and get more expert tips on home financing.